How's it going, guys? My name is LuigiAiden, and today I'm playing One Night with LuigiAiden, aka me. So this is the updated version, and I got an early access by New the Oswald movie. Well, this is still in beta, so anyways, we're going to be doing hard mode because there's apparently new characters. You guys may see the difference. Oh, there's me. Oh, there's Felly. There's Boy Blum, there's Jovica. So Jovica and Felly got added. Oh, there's Oswald. Oh yeah, Oswald's sister got added in the game. Yeah, that's true. Oh yeah, Mila, that's a new character in Tiashton. Also, this game is not downloadable yet, but yeah, it's still not downloadable yet, but it's still in beta. But anyways, there's Oswald. There's me. And I have voice lines now. Take a listen. There's me right there. Yeah, and my poses look different. Oh, Zerdy's coming. Oh, Jovica's waking up. Oh, there's me! Oh, Zerdy's coming. No! Hi, Oswald. Boy Blum's coming. Not a good time for this. This is not a good... It's not a good time for this. Jovica's coming. Oh, there's me, Zerdy, and Oswald. Yes, Felly's also moving. Oh, crap, Boy Blum. There's me and Tiashton. Oh, God. Oh, crap. No! You know, I was trying to cool down Mila, which is Tiashton's best friend, and then Jovica starts coming. Yeah, there's game over. Yeah, there's me, right there. Alright, anyways, let's try it again. So, guys, how to stop, alright, so, you'll see the rules. Oh, yeah, this music is good. There's me right there. And there's Boy Blum, there's Jovica, and there's Felly. Oswald and Natasha. Natasha is actually Oswald's sister. But anyways, I'm moving. There's Tiashton and Mila. Zerdy's in the TV. Wait, look, hold on. Wait. The three rabbits! There's me, Natasha, and Oswald. The three rabbits. Oswald! Oh, Boy Blum. Oh, there's me. Oh, Jovica! Oh, he's awakened. He's awakened. Hi, Oswald. I'm coming. Hurry! Oh! Okay. Ah! Yeah, that face. I actually like how I have voice lines, by the way. It's pretty good. Oh no, Tiashton! Boy Blum's coming. I'm coming. Vic is coming. Gotcha! Oh my god, thank god! Thank god I wasn't at the door. Look, Natasha, she's like,
you're a bad boy, Julio.
Well, wait, just look what she does. Zerdy. I know how to spell Zerdy. I'm in high school. Felly! Okay. Oh! Oh my god! Oh god! Oh, there's Jovica! Felly's coming! Okay. There's me, Felly, and Boy Blam. Yeah, she's coming. Jovica, please come to the door. You'll see what Felly does, guys. Just wait. Jovica. Tiny Man! Sorry, sir. Okay, Felly's there. You gotta push her away if she's coming from the upside down. No! Oh my god! No! Well, anyways, guys, hope you guys like this update. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.